Don't say the word. Don't say the word because we're on camera. Okay. Wait. It always seems like whenever I do burp that it just comes halfway up my throat and then stops. Because it never seems loud. Poor me, my burps don't go loudly.